Located an hour outside Portland, Oregon, the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum is home to a phenomenal collection of aircraft from the beginning of flight to today. The museum campus contains two large display areas that focus on the history of flight, the space race, and Cold War history. While the museum houses a number of impressive exhibits, such as an SR-71 Blackbird and a Titan II rocket, the highlight during any visit is unquestionably the legendary Spruce Goose. The brainchild of Howard Hughes, the idea for the Spruce Goose was conceived during the Second World War as a way to circumvent German submarines wreaking havoc on Allied shipping in the Atlantic. Finished in 1947 at a cost of $278 million in today's money, its wingspan of 320 feet made it the largest plane ever until it was surpassed in 2019 by the Stratolaunch jet. The entire aircraft, except for the engines, electronics, and screws, was made of wood due to a wartime shortage of other supplies. Despite not being completed in time to see service during the war, the Spruce Goose did briefly take to the skies. On November 2, 1947, Hughes was taxiing on the water in Long Beach Harbor, California, when he stunned the gathered crowd by suddenly taking the plane airborne for 30 seconds. The guides at the museum are quick to point out that many people had questioned the viability of a plane the size of the Spruce Goose, pushing Hughes to demonstrate that his creation would indeed fly. As you explore the museum, it's impossible to escape the awe-inspiring presence of the Spruce Goose. With such a massive wingspan, the rest of the aircraft are dwarfed in comparison. However, there is still a bounty of planes from the Second World War and the Cold War to enjoy during your visit. The museum makes minimal use of technology and video screens to explain exhibits, relying primarily on text boards and photos as educational devices. The space race section in particular makes excellent use of large-scale photo walls and quotes to bring the key moments and characters to life. Entrance to the museum in McMinnville, Oregon is $22 for adults. I would recommend a minimum of 3 to 4 hours to allow time for touring the Spruce Goose and both large exhibit halls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit the Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum during your next trip to Oregon.